Oh yeah. Dude, I'll kick the ass. Come on, Smash next team, go. Go, bro. Come on. Alright, come on. Special. Oh shit. Oh yeah. And back the action. Yeah. Pow. Oh. Oh no. Air combo. Smash. More special. Oh yeah, I can kick anybody's ass. Oh yeah, bring it, son. I'm the greatest Marvel vs. Capcom player.
I bet I can kick your ass.
Oh, how long you been back there?
The whole entire time, mother freak. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Do you want to play?
Hell yeah, I want to play. I'll totally own you.
Like hell, I'll take you on. I'm so totally owning you, bro. You don't even know what you're getting. Activate Smash Up!
You don't even have eyes. What the?
No, I'm just that amazing. Finish mine. Oh yeah. Oh.
Damn it! Oh, you know what? Screw this game. I can totally own you in real life. Let's do this.
Oh yeah.
Let's do this.
This. Yeah. All right. Let's do this.
Okay.
God damn it! I wasn't ready yet.
Yep. Totally knew I was gonna beat this guy. I always cheat at this game. Yeah. Yep. This is what I really wanted. Yep. Then. Shit. Where am I going?